subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will implement data cleaning on Amazon mobile dataset. The dataset we already discussed in our last class and we identified some of the data cleaning techniques that required for our dataset. The data cleaning techniques that we identified are: we have to eliminate punctuations, we have to eliminate numbers, we have to eliminate special symbols, and we have to delete the lines that consist only special symbols. Okay, this already discussed in our last class, so please watch that video and come back here. Now let's check our dataset once. This is our dataset. These are all the feedbacks. They collected 70,000 different feedbacks from different mobile customers and they gave a decision it positive or negative. So what we have to do is the logic which we apply here is: we will take the first feedback and clean it, we will take the second feedback and clean it, we will take the third feedback and clean it. Like this, we will take the 70,000 feedbacks and we have to clean all the feedbacks. So we need a loop here. Taking the first feedback, we took the first feedback and we have to clean it. How we do that? Taking word by word means we have to split the feedback into words. This is the second logic which we use. Means we use one loop to collect the feedbacks and we use a second loop to collect the words that consist in the feedback. Okay, now let's check the code. This is the code which we use for data cleaning. So first block, list of packages which we used, and the second block, check here. This is the function. read_csv is a function. Why we use this function? That's clearly documented above. What is this function? In the comment section, read this: reading the data file into a data frame and checking the shape. This is what this function do. Okay, this block of code is executing this logic. So what this function do is it will take the data in .csv file and it will convert the data into data frame. That data frame is saved in a variable called data. We already discussed about data frame in our last class. So please watch that video and come back here. Now we are taking our data into a variable called data and we are displaying the shape of that data set. Okay, what's the shape? 72,311 lines and 2 columns are there. Our actual logic comes into this block. So first we have to collect the feedbacks one by one. That is the logic which we discussed previously. That line comes here. See, for I in, what is the variable called data? In this variable we are having a data frame. What's the data frame consists? Our actual data. Data dot, this is the column name. Okay. From this column take one by one. We are looping here. From this column take one by one. What's that mean is taking feedback by feedback and placing it in a variable called uncleaned. Okay. Next we took an empty list. This is the Python syntax. We took an empty list and we are giving a variable to that list called cleaned. Why we took this list? After cleaning the data, we will place the cleaned text in a list called cleaned. That is the meaning of this. Why we took this list is we will place the cleaned text. So coming to logic, for I in uncleaned, what's this mean? Uncleaned is a variable that consists of list of feedbacks, all the feedbacks. From that feedbacks we have to take one by one. This loop will take, I will take first feedback, second feedback, third feedback and all the feedbacks. So going into the loop, we are calling a function called remove punctuations of I. What's this I means? We are sending this feedback to the function called remove punctuations. Okay, we wrote the logic here, the function remove punctuation. This text variable will take the feedback. We are sending I here, this variable will take the feedback. So what we have to do here, we have to eliminate punctuations, we have to eliminate numbers, and we have to eliminate special symbols. So the list of punctuations are already given in Python in a package called string.punctuations will give list of punctuations. So we are taking this list of punctuations into a variable called p. So we displayed these punctuations for better understanding. We displayed these punctuations. See, these are the list of punctuations which provided in string.punctuations. Okay, we collected these punctuations in a variable called p, and we need numbers also. We have to eliminate numbers also. So this loop takes p dot add of string of I. We are taking numbers from I is equal to 0 to 9, collecting all the numbers, and we are adding those numbers to p. Now p variable consists of a list of punctuations and numbers. Okay, coming here, text is equal to text dot. What's this do? It will convert our words into small letters. Coming to next, text dot split off. Text dot split off means it will take the feedback and it will split into words. That words are placed in a variable called words. Okay, now our actual logic lies here. For I in words, what's that means? This loop will take word by word from our feedback. It will take the first word, second word, third word, like that, and I states that first word, second word, third word. We can use I. Okay, so for splitting means we have to divide. Join means opposite of it. Join is a function. It works exactly opposite of it. Means we are splitting here, we are joining here. We have to join the words. Which words we have to join? We have to eliminate punctuations, we have to eliminate special symbols, we have to eliminate numbers. Remaining words we have to join. That's what we are doing in here. So encode is a function. I means taking first word, and encode is a function which converts the characters in the word into Ascii. Encode is a function which converts into Ascii, and it will eliminate the symbols, eliminate the Ascii characters, which it will, what this means is ignore the characters that are not Ascii. Means if it is not Ascii means they are special symbols. That's what we are doing here. This statement does eliminating the special symbols. It is converting into Ascii. If it is not Ascii, please don't consider that. That is what we are doing here. After that, we are decoding the Ascii character into our original format. And coming here, if x not in p, what's p consists of? P consists of numbers and punctuations. If not in p means if it is punctuations and numbers, don't consider that. If not in p, then only consider. That's the meaning of this. So this entire line of code is eliminating special symbols, eliminating punctuations, and eliminating numbers. Check how simple the code is. If you really understand this data cleaning, all the ML code is similarly like this. We don't have complex coding like C, C++. Everything is very simple, just loops and if statements. So please try to understand line by line. We will provide this document in the description. You can download this coding document from the description, and we already provided the dataset in our last class. So please download the dataset and download this coding file, and please try to execute. Please modify as simple as possible. Please modify this coding into as simple as possible. You can modify this coding. Okay, you can simplify this coding. Okay, so coming to this function will clean the punctuations and numbers and special symbols, and we are sending back. Return means sending back the cleaned text. Now we will get this clean text here, ctxt. So what's this next line doing? If length of ctxt is equal to 0, why we wrote this? Because if a line consists only special symbols, we will eliminate that special symbols, then length of that line will be, that feedback will be 0. We have to eliminate that line. To eliminate that line, we are converting that line into, we are attaching for a null value into not a number. We are attaching a string, not a number, to that line. Why we are attaching? Next in this block, we will delete the lines that consist of not a number. Where we have not a number, the lines that consist only special symbols, we are eliminating that special symbols, and we are placing a variable called, it's not a variable, it's a string called not a number. Okay, and cleaned dot append. What's this line means? If it is not 0, append the text to cleaned. Cleaned is a variable list that consists of cleaned data, cleaned feedback. Now we are attaching that cleaned list to our data frame. We are taking a new column called cleaned text. So we are converting this data frame to .csv. Now let's check this .csv file. See here, all these special symbols. This line consists only special symbols. We cleaned these special symbols, and the cleaned text consists only of not a number. In the next block of code, we will delete these lines. With this, we complete all our data cleaning techniques. Check our coding section now. See, this block of code takes the data from our cleaned data set and placing it in a variable called data. Now we are deleting a line. We use the function called drop. This we already discussed in our last class, so please watch that video and come back here. Okay, and finally our data set is placed in a file called Amazon Mobile Data Cleaned Final.csv. From next onwards, in data pre-processing, we will use this cleaned data set. We don't use the uncleaned data set. We will use this cleaned data set. Hope you understand the concepts. If you have any questions regarding the coding or any concepts, please start your discussion below. That's the way we will achieve our goals. Okay, that's an important point. So don't forget about it. So please post your comments and start discussions. Hope you understand the concept. Okay, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.